Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with Ashimary here once more. You guys know how much I have fallen in love with Ashimary wigs even more since recent times. They're so creative. They put their branded elastic band around the box. Isn't that cute? Love the teal color as usual. And now let's get into our wig for the day. All right. Ooh, okay. So firstly, you guys know they love sending a good robe over. So I got a robe. I even got a branded pair of Ashimary HD wig caps. I'm so excited just from the look of this wig. I'm about to get into it. I have this edge brush and comb, another Ashimary elastic headband. I also have a pair of lashes. Okay, and they sent me, okay, I see they're still feeling the Christmas spirit, but they sent across 2 packs of press-on nails. These have some nice festive themes to them. I can store these and keep them for next Christmas. That's everything in the package. So now let's get into the wig. This is gorgeous. This is beautiful. I absolutely love this. What? So I've never really worked with this. I think I've worked with something like this once before, where you have, like, you know, 3 different colors transitioning into each other. So that's really nice. So this is basically their 613 to brown ombre body wave transparent HD 13x4 lace front wig. All right, and they say for today's wig it's 250% in density. All right, also I'll be sure to put the specific link of this wig down below, but it's 250% in density and I can definitely feel it. It does look very full. I am pleased, and it already comes styled. You see these gorgeous waves that it came with, and everything seems really silky and nice. It's gorgeous. Love that. As I said, it's a transparent HD lace front and it's 13x4, and it goes straight across, not just in the middle but straight across, and I absolutely love that. There is also an adjustable strap added inside of the medium cap. Okay, so you can make it as tight or loose as you want, and there are adjustable straps in the back for even more security and just to ensure that the cap fits your head properly. The hairline is plucked nicely. It looks very natural. Love that. Gorgeous blonde vibe. I feel like this is perfect for a special occasion. Okay, now let's go ahead and just jump into this installation. Today I'm actually going to be using my Red by Kiss Styler Fixer Lace Bond Spray. So let's get into it. As I said, the front is already plucked nicely, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut away the excess on the sides. All right, the excess lace on the sides, and we're gonna get into just using the lace bond spray for today's adhesive, just like a layer, and we're good. And yeah, so I'm gonna speed through this portion.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out. No, I can't keep score when I lose my breath. Boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh. Ooh.
So I'm just going in now that I'm all done with applying the spray. I'm just going in with my powder to further, like, you know, camouflage the lace so that everything comes off a little bit more melted. And then I'm gonna keep the pullback vibe. You guys know I've been doing a lot of the pullback vibe. I feel like I do it a lot for you guys too, because a lot of people don't really understand how to do their edges, and sometimes I just kind of want to switch it up and give you guys variety. So we're gonna keep it with the pullback look today. Okay, so you see that looks so melted. I'm just gonna go in with my wax stick and my hot comb to further, like, get the top laid. So there's minimal shedding, just minimal shedding, but everything looks great. I'm just using my hand to comb through the curls because I'm gonna kind of reshape the bangs in the front. But before I move on to doing that, let me just go ahead, like, it looks so melted. Let me go ahead and get my wax, and we're gonna just, you know, make sure everything is laid.
Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my.
So I'm just gonna recurl the front hair with my curling iron.
To cover up what I don't want to show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heart be needing. Skipping out, no, I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher.
Everything looks melted, like, so flawlessly. Absolutely no baby hairs, no edges. It looks beautiful, right? And this is how it looks once I decide to, you know, comb out, well, finger comb the hair. I'm just gonna do a little bit of layer, just a little bit. Everything, all the colors are bleeding into each other. They're bleeding into each other so seamlessly. Like, I can tell you, I think the most I've tried is like 2 colors bleeding into each other, but like for 3 different levels, I've never tried that. It's very different for me. Ashimary has worked their way up into my favorite list. I need to do one of those lists for you guys, like my top 5 favorite hair companies to date. Like, I think you guys deserve that. Ashimary definitely deserves a spot on that list, because since recent times, I can tell you guys, like, at least the last 6-7 wigs I've received from them have been amazing with the quality, amazingly constructed. Like, right now, I can tell you there's a go-to wig in my collection from Ashimary for sure. This is gorgeous. Let me know what you guys think, because what? The meltdown, the construction, everything about this wig is definitely a 10. If you're trying to be bold, if you're trying to do something different, sis, yeah, 10 out of 10, highly recommend. I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box. This is definitely a special occasion kind of wig. As I said before, all the specifications will be listed down below, so go ahead, check that out. And if I have any discount code, anything of the sort, it will be listed below as well. Thank you guys so much for checking out today's wig look. That's it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and pick up on yourself. Bye.
Every